in terms of tourism in India anymore. Barring exam season, everything else is tourism season, I think,
it's
in the country.
It's not optional.
It is. But the
it's
thing
not
is that,
seasonal.
you know, the
Mandatory.
thing is that exam season is off season for people who have kids who have exams, etc. That's actually great season for people who don't want kids around there.
So basically, it's 365 days a year. It's travel season in India, the way we see it. But Mayuresh, thank you very much for joining in. Good having your insights on all that we've discussed today. By the way, this market is ending with a crunching blow. Very rarely do we, and literally the last tick is going to be the lowest, level of the day, and that's how we're ending out. Look at it. The Nifty is now tracking a cut of about 273 points as we're heading into the last few seconds. The fall on the mid-cap index is in excess of 1,000 points. The Bank Nifty is down 1.5%. It's been a sort of weak day. No two ways about it, no other way of putting it. Okay, so let's quickly tell you where the blow came in from with respect to the large caps. Some of the weakest names include Power Grid, Apollo Hospitals, a lot of the auto stocks, Bajaj, Eicher, all weak. There was BPCL, OMCs have been cooling off in the last couple of sessions. But really, I could just go on because barring two or three names on the Nifty, HUL and Infosys, there's nothing to be counted on the green side of the screen at all. Big fall day for Reliance, 2.5% down. You're looking at banks, they were weak. Looking at a lot of the metal stocks that were down and out as well. So Coal India, ONGC, material stocks, just basically big fall day. But that's not the headline, right, guys? The headline is the fall in the broader markets.
Indeed, the headline is the fall in the broader markets. Nearly 2,000 stocks declining for every stock, rather for every 330 stocks that were advancing. So, the top loser was Vodafone Idea, down 14%. The street did not like one bit. The fundraising plan that the company spoke about, a lot was expected, but some clarity is something that the street is seeking. Delta Corp down 6%, most of the cuts coming by in the last hour. Z Entertainment down 6%. Godrej Properties, we saw some, money being taken off the real estate space as well. So Godrej Properties was one of them, and a lot of these PSUs, case in point, something like an HPCL, NBCC, and Union Bank, all of them were lower. Though we did have some gainers as well. Havells was up 4%. Pfizer towards the end of trade also picked up, ended with a gain of about 1.5%. And we did see some recovery from the lows on Whirlpool that ended about 1% higher. Nigel.
Okay, all right. Well, on that note, though, we'll have to wrap up on this session of Closing Bell. You don't go anywhere. Markets Forward comes up next.